Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Pinterest creator account to access exclusive tools and features for content creators, follow these comprehensive steps for successful verification. Step 1. Log in to your Pinterest account. If you have a personal account, you can convert it to a creator account in your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Look for the Account Type or Account Changes section. Click on Convert to Creator Account or Switch to Creator Account. Step 4. Confirm the conversion by following the on-screen prompts. Pinterest will maintain all your existing content during this conversion. Step 5. Complete your creator profile by adding a professional profile picture, bio, and links to your other social media accounts or website. Step 6. Verify your email address if you haven't already. Check your inbox for a verification email from Pinterest and click the confirmation link. Step 7. To verify your website and gain access to analytics and additional features, navigate to the Claimed Account section in Settings. Step 8. Enter your website URL and follow Pinterest's instructions to add a verification meta tag to your site or upload an HTML file. Step 9. Once your website is verified, you'll unlock creator-specific features such as detailed analytics, shopping tools, and monetization options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.